From groundbreaking advancements like 500 kilowatts charging and flexible payments plan to exciting Cybertruck news and changes in EV tax credits, we're driving into the innovations shaping Tesla's future. Whether it's faster charging or game changing affordability, Tesla continues to redefine the EV landscape. Let's explore what's next for this world leading electric vehicle brand. So, like, subscribe, and let's drive Tesla. Starting off, new flexible payments options with Klarna. Tesla's online shop has taken a step forward in enhancing accessibility with its new interest-free payments plan in partnership with Klarna. This innovative payment solution allows customers to spread the cost of Tesla accessories and items into 4 manageable payments over 6 weeks at 0 APR. This means that high quality Tesla products are now more affordable for a wider range of buyers. For example, purchasing a $420 wall connector could now be split into 4 equal payments of $105 each, making it easier for customers to invest in Tesla's ecosystem without significant upfront cost. This new payment plan comes even more appealing for larger accessories such as the 3000 Cyber Tent. Splitting the cost of such premium items into smaller chunks can significantly reduce the financial burden, particularly for customers who have already made a large purchase, like buying a Tesla vehicle. Furthermore, for those who require even more flexibility, Tesla offers extended payment options with interest plans spread over 6 or 12 months, making it possible to finance even larger purchases at reasonable pace. Payments plan for Tesla's FSD package. There's already a buzz that Tesla may extend this payment flexibility for its FSD package in the near future. Currently, FSD is available as a subscription for $99 per month or a one-time purchase of $8,800, both of which are hefty commitments for many. Imagine if the cost of FSD could be split into 4 payments of $2,200 each over 6 weeks or potentially spread over several months. Such an approach would make FSD far more accessible to a large audience, removing a significant barrier to adoption. This speculation aligns with Tesla's constant evolution of its FSD software, which has transformed from a niche offering to a must-try feature for Tesla's owners. As Tesla's FSD capabilities improve, its perceived value rises, making it a critical component of the Tesla ownership experience. This shift in payment flexibility could further accelerate FSD adoption, putting Tesla even further ahead in the autonomous driving race. Tesla's breakthrough in charging technology, charging infrastructure, has always been at the forefront of Tesla's innovation, and the introduction of the V4 supercharger cabinet is yet another leap forward. For most Tesla's owners, charging is already more convenient than fueling up at a gas station. However, road trips and extended drives can sometimes highlight the need for a faster charging solutions, especially when charging large battery packs or maybe making multiple stops in a day. Until now, Tesla's peak charging rate has been 250 kilowatt, allowing a charge from 10% to 80% in about 20 to 25 minutes, while competitive brands like Hyundai have introduced charging rates of 350 kW. Tesla's V4 supercharger cabinet has raised the bar significantly, capable of delivering 500 kilowatts for cars and 1.2 megawatts for Tesla Semi. This upgrade ensures much faster charging times, particularly for Tesla's large vehicles. For instance, the Cybertruck Tesla's high anticipated electric truck will now be able to charge from 15% to 85% in just 18 to 20 minutes, translating to an incredible 132 miles of range added in just 1 minute under optimal conditions. This milestone makes the Cybertruck the fastest charging EV on the market. However, current Tesla vehicles like the Model 3 and Model Y won't yet benefit from this speed due to the existing 400-volt architecture, which is capped at 250 kilowatt. Now, what's to come for Model Y in 2025? Looking ahead to 2025, there's growing speculation that Tesla might overhaul the Model Y's platform. If Tesla were to adopt an 800-volt architecture for the Model Y, similar to the Cybertruck, charging speeds could skyrocket, making road trips even more seamless. Such as an upgrade would likely make the Model Y one of the fastest charging SUVs on the market, offering speeds comparable to the Cybertruck. This would be a strategic move for Tesla, given the Model Y's popularity as the best-selling vehicle globally. While such an overhaul would be a welcome change, Tesla's history of convertive platform updates suggests it not happen immediately. However, with competition increasing in the EV market, particularly outside North America, this could be perfect moment for Tesla to elevate the Model Y capabilities. Looming changes, EV tax credit phase out. Another critical development on the horizon is a potential elimination of the $7,500 EV tax credit in 2025. This incentive has been pivotal in making EVs more affordable for American customers. However, reports suggest that Tesla, along with other automakers, may soon lose access to this subsidy. Surprisingly, Tesla has expressed support for phasing out such incentive, emphasizing the need for EV manufacturers to become profitable and competitive without relying on external subsidies. While this shift could raise Tesla's vehicle price in the short term, it might also level the playing field by pushing competitors to focus on efficiency and cost reduction. Tesla's ability to maintain profitability and scale production could give it a competitive edge, even without the tax credit. Cybertruck updates now. Innovation and recalls. Tesla's Cybertruck continues to make headlines, not only for its groundbreaking design, but also for its accessories and performance features. Among its unique offering is the largest windshield wiper ever created, priced at $75 for a replacement blade. Tesla has also introduced optional accessories like $800 crossbar designed to match the Cybertruck's aesthetic and functionality, and a 300 custom car cover tailored for the vehicle's shapes. In terms of performance, the Cybertruck will be the first Tesla vehicle to fully leverage the new 500 kilowatt charging speeds offered by the V4 charger cabinet. This positions the Cybertruck as a market leader in charging efficiency, an essential feature for the truck designed for heavy-duty tasks and long-distance travel. However, early Cybertruck models are facing a recall due to an issue with drive inverters, affecting about 2,431 vehicles. Tesla is proactively addressing this with physical repairs, emphasizing the importance of checking VIN numbers for affected units. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today's episode, Stock a Day. I do hope you found it helpful, educational. If so, like, subscribe, check the links in the description below for more educational resources. Until the next video, stay safe.